Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hiding in plain sight within company filings. Get ready because today we're diving into HCW Biologics Inc. and a recent update that shows a crucial deal is still on track, but with a slight delay in payment. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed for these regular deep dives into company reports. We break down the jargon so you don't have to. Also join our growing community on Discord. The link is in the description below. Alright, so HCW Biologics Inc., otherwise known as HCWB, is a company that's been in the news a bit. Here we're looking at a Form 8K filing, which is basically a report for big events that investors need to know about right away, like a new business deal or a major change in the company. The main story here revolves around a licensing agreement that HCW entered into with a company called Y Biotech. This agreement was first talked about back in June of 2025. So Y Biotech did their homework, they checked out the technical reports that HCW provided, and they decided to move forward with the deal. This means Y Biotech saw value in what HCW offers. Now, for the important part, Y Biotech owes HCW Biologics $7 million. This is an upfront fee for the license they're getting. It's a significant amount of money and it shows they're serious about this partnership. Here's the twist: why Biotech needed a little more time to sort out their own deals with their manufacturing partners and their investors. So HCW Biologics agreed to push back the payment deadline. The $7 million isn't due immediately. Why Biotech now has until September 30, 2025 to make sure the money is sent over. Let's look at how HCW Biologics is structured and traded. HCW's main thing traded on the stock market is its common stock. You can buy shares of HCWB on the Nasdaq stock market LLC. This means it's a publicly traded company and investors can easily buy and sell its stock. HCW Biologics identifies itself as an emerging growth company. This label means it's a newer company that gets to follow fewer strict rules for financial reporting for a certain period. It's designed to help newer companies focus on growth without being buried in paperwork. And importantly, HCW has chosen not to use a special option that lets companies delay adopting new accounting rules. They want to follow the latest standards right away. This can be seen as a sign of transparency and a commitment to keeping their financial reporting up to date with current best practices. So what's the big picture here? HCW Biologics has a deal that looks solid. Y Biotech did their homework and decided it was worth $7 million to license HCW's technology. The only hiccup is a slight delay in that payment pushed back to late September. This is fairly common as large deals often involve coordinating many moving parts between different companies and investors. From an investment perspective, this delay isn't necessarily a red flag. It shows flexibility in the agreement and a willingness from both sides to work together to make it happen. The fact that Y Biotech confirmed they were moving forward after due diligence is a very positive signal for HCW Biologics. However, the core of any biotech company's success lies in the innovation it can bring to market and the successful partnerships it forges. This license agreement is a key step for HCW, but the real test will be how well Y Biotech can actually develop and commercialize whatever technology this license covers. We need to watch how this partnership progresses and what comes out of it. Overall, HCW Biologics seems to be making progress on the business development front. The delayed payment is understandable given the complexities of these deals. The fact that they elected not to use the extended transition period for accounting standards suggests a commitment to a cleaner financial presentation, which is good for investor confidence. What do you think about this licensing deal and the payment delay? Let us know in the comments below if you found this breakdown helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate insights. Don't forget to join our Discord community to connect with other savvy investors and discuss these filings further. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.